A spa cover comes with many benefits, including being an effective insulator, a protector, as well as a safety feature. If it's not secured down properly, you could run into problems in the event of strong weather, and that's where cover locks come in handy. In this video, you will learn how to attach the cover locks to your spa. We're going to now install the cover locks. You can do this while the spa is being filled, otherwise you can do it straight after. Cover locks are a small but important safety feature that prevent the spa from being accessed by children, as well as the cover from blowing off. To ensure that we get these cover locks in the correct position, we will first place the cover back over the spa. The corner cover locks are pre-installed at the factory. This will help determine the correct placement of your spa cover. The centre cover locks here don't have cover locks on them yet, so I will demonstrate the assembly process now. Now knowing which are pre-installed and which ones we do need to do, we'll click all of the pre-installed corner cover locks into place. The cover locks need to be fitted so the cover cannot be lifted more than 100 millimeters on any side. It should also be installed so that no object greater than 100 millimeters can fit between the lip of the spa and the cover when the cover is closed and latched into place. This will make the spa cover safety compliant in many jurisdictions. The first step in the assembly process is to get your cover lock and attach it to the latch. In order to get the strap in the correct position, make the strap taut and then loosen slightly. Now grab a marker and put a slight line on one side of the latch and on the bottom. Then you can remove. Right, the next step is we're going to unclip the latch and we're going to make some holes for pre-drilling. So we'll line it back up over the lines we just made and we will mark 3 holes, 2 on the side and 1 above. Now we are ready to pre-drill our holes. We're using a 2mm drill bit and one tip, just make a slight hole into the spa cabinet. Once all 3 screws are in place, we are ready to test out the latch. All you need to do now is repeat this step on the remaining 3 centre latches. Thanks for watching this video. For more information, you can head to the Spa World Learning Centre. To learn the next step in the Vortex Spa Setup Guide, click the following link displayed at the end of this video.